Hey everyone, this is TJ here and welcome to my YouTube channel English Guru. Learn to speak English with TJ. Today we are going to talk about difference between avoid and reward, solution and resolution. Avoid and reward, solution and resolution. What is the difference between these words? Because most of the time we use it and sometimes we just take it easy, right? But what the difference between these words avoid and reward? If you see the simple words, if you want to tell about difference between avoid and reward, is that avoid is a huge and it's like big, and reward is a small as compared to avoid. As compared to reward, award is big, and as compared to award, reward is a small thing. It's actually compensation, right? It is a prize, high prize, big prize and small prize. So award is a big prize and reward is a small prize. That is the only difference. But we'll go further. When we get award, what is the exact meaning of award? Award is given someone or someone after huge achievement, in honor. It is given in honor or huge achievement. Means they struggle their whole life for doing something as like social worker, maybe in so many things, right? That is award. And reward, you're working somewhere and it's like a gift, a small gift which you get to work furthermore, and now let's go to exactly meaning of this in Marathi or in Hindi. We'll just talk about it. Award का मतलब है, मतलब थोड़ा सा बड़ा प्राइज, और रिवॉर्ड का मतलब है छोटा प्राइज. लेकिन अवार्ड का एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग होगा, अवार्ड मतलब उसके लिए मतलब जो दिया जाता है ऑनर में. ओके, ऑनर में दिया जाता है ग्रेट अचीवमेंट के बाद, राइट? अवार्ड. और रिवॉर्ड दिया जाता है मतलब छोटा सा गिफ्ट होता है. जैसे कि आप कुछ काम कर रहे हैं किसी कंपनी में और आप अपना टारगेट पूरा कर रहे हैं, तो आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए एक एप्रिसिएशन होता है, रिवॉर्ड. लेकिन अवार्ड इज नॉट ओनली एप्रिसिएशन, इट इज मोर देन दैट, इट इज फर्दर देन दैट. उसके आगे होता है ॲक्च्युली. अवॉर्ड म्हणजे मोठं प्राइज अँड रिवॉर्ड म्हणजे छोटं प्राइज. रिवॉर्ड म्हणजे एक गिफ्ट समजा, पण अवॉर्ड हे गिफ्ट नाही आहे. अवॉर्ड हे त्याच्यापेक्षा मोठं आहे, समथिंग बिग, जो आपण बऱ्याच गोष्टी करतो, हार्डवर्क करतो ॲक्च्युली एका. आणि म्हणजेच सोशल वर्कमध्ये कोणी काम करत असेल तर त्यांनी पूर्ण लाईफ वाहून घेतलेलं असतं त्यासाठी, आणि तेव्हा कुठेतरी त्यांना जाऊन अवॉर्ड मिळतो. म्हणजे पूर्ण म्हणजे ग्रेट अचिव्हमेंट इट इज. अवॉर्ड इज ग्रेट अचिव्हमेंट and it is kind of recognition, right? That is the only thing. In a simple word, award म्हणजे पुरस्कार आणि reward म्हणजे gift, बक्षीस. That is the only difference between award and reward. Now let's go to solution and resolution. Let's talk about solution and resolution. Solution means you have ability to solve, or you deal with a problem, with a difficulty, and you solve that. And resolution means like you decide something to do in your life. You determine something, with a purpose that you are going to do it something. You're going to do something in your life. That is your determination. Means you decide something in your life. That is the meaning of resolution. And solution, that is you deal with difficulty, you solve, you deal with difficulty, problems, catastrophe of your life. That is solution. Let's go to Marathi or Hindi meaning. In Marathi, solution म्हणजेच उपाय and resolution म्हणजेच एखादी गोष्ट ठराव. So resolution ठराव and solution उपाय, right? मतलब in हिंदी solution मतलब हल, किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का हल एक्चुअली, जो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, मतलब डिफिकल्टी सॉल्व करते हैं एक्चुअली आपकी लाइफ की. और रिजोल्यूशन मतलब आप डिसाइड करते हो लाइफ में कुछ करने की, राइट? मीन्स यू डिसाइड समथिंग इन योर लाइफ टू डू समथिंग. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. नाउ सी, दिस ऑल अवॉर्ड, रिवॉर्ड, solution and resolution are only nouns. They are nouns and they can be used as verbs too. That is the main thing about it. Award, reward, and solution, resolution. Now we'll see the examples. उसके त्याची एग्जाम्पल्स बघूया आपण. उसके एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं, मतलब कैसे यूज किया जाता है. Now he has awarded by भारत रत्न. he is awarded by, it's a Bharat Ratna is a highest civilian award in India, so he is awarded by, or she is awarded by, and he rewarded by his company for, or she is rewarded by his company, that award and reward were used as a verb too, verb too. And solution, he solved the problem, he solved the problem, he solved his problem, त्याने त्याचा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केला, उन्होंने उनका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया. और रिजोल्यूशन, he resolved so many things in his life, he resolved so many things in his life, मतलब उन्होंने उनके लाइफ में बहुत कुछ करने की ठान ली है, मतलब वो करेंगे, बहुत कुछ चीजें करने वाले डिसाईड किया आहे. म्हणजे त्यांनी त्यांच्या लाईफमध्ये किंवा तिने किंवा त्याने त्याच्या लाईफमध्ये खूप काही करायचं ठरवलेलं आहे. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरन्स बिटवीन रिवॉर्ड, award, resolution and solution, guys. So I hope you like this video, and actually it will be very useful for everybody, because normally we get little confused with reward, award, resolution and solution. So these are nouns as well as verbs we use as. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye everybody.